535 CI, and I think I said 335 in some of my earlier videos on this vehicle, that came in with 20% air mixed in with the refrigerant. And we're cooling out the dash at 37 degrees, I think. Let's see, focus, come on. 37.5 degrees. Our ambient temperature, it's only 60 here, but it's actually 54 outside in the garage. But we have the localized heat that is coming from the vehicle, and I'm taking the temperature from inside of the dash, or underneath the cover right here as it's being sucked in. So the engine's inside the shop, even though it's cold and rainy today. (19 degrees superheat), and this is completely filled. It was just filled up with 850 grams on this 2013 535 CI or IC or whatever it is. The only leak I could find, and I didn't even prove by a fact, I only got 1 part per million. I think it almost went 2 part per million just for a fraction of a second out the dash, under the dash, inside there. That only, my leak detector couldn't pick it up all the time. I could not prove that it was leaking from under the dash. This was a new car buy. Customer doesn't know the history of it, just got it this year without knowing history. So I had no way to know what the history was, whether they filled it or not before. Well, I know somebody did something because it had air mixed in with the refrigerant. But other than that, I'm going to test it one more time, shut it back down, and look again for a leak and see what I can find. But my suspicions that I might not find it this round, and he's just going to have to drive it. And since it's winter time now, if the leak is small enough, we try to find it again when springtime or summertime rolls around. This is going to be one of those leaks that does not want to reveal itself right now, with no means. All right. 37 degrees on the dash. All right, we'll come back to this one at a future date. See this car back next spring or summer.